What's up, you guys? It's your girl FB-tierranikea, and we are back with another video. If you are new here, thank you for coming to visit my channel. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe and hit that bell notifications to get notified whenever I upload. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. So y'all, today is a different kind of video. I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my natural makeup, no makeup look. Just like if you don't want to wear like a full face of makeup and you just want to just smooth out some imperfections, this is the look that I go for. So I am going to start out with concealer. So I use the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Espresso. This is my skin tone color, and I literally just put it on like my cheeks, you know, where I have, you know, black marks, acne scars, my chin, just to hide all imperfections of my skin, just to smooth it out. You see? And then I'm gonna take my sponge. I gotta clean my sponge, y'all. Don't judge me. I just did me and my daughter just did her doing my makeup for her channel, so my makeup brushes are a little dirty. All right, so I'm gonna just smooth it out. Smooth it on out, just to cover up anything that I want to cover up, to be honest. And don't forget that neck, y'all. Do not forget the neck. Whatever you apply to your skin, foundation, concealer, whatever, make sure you get that neck. Okay. And I don't really put any up here, but what I do is I'll just like put the excess up here because my forehead is pretty clear, you know, which is crazy because y'all, when I was younger in my preteen years and my teenage years, I always got acne on my forehead, which is why I don't understand. I don't have acne scars on my forehead. I literally just have them on my cheeks. So that is done. All right, you guys, so after that, I am basically gonna take my highlighter in the shade brown. It's Brown's Splendor, and it's by Milani. And I'm gonna highlight my nose, my forehead, just put a little bit on my cheeks just to get a little glow. Crease up my lip and my chin. Okay. And y'all, I've been doing this makeup to makeup, no makeup for years, and I just love the fact that I don't have to, you know, pile a whole bunch of makeup on all the time. So like if I go out or whatever, then I'll do a full face of makeup. But day to day, when I do something and I want to, you know, cover up my imperfections on my face and or whatever, I'll use this method. Alright, so now that I got this, I got my lashes. And I got these from, let me show you guys. Hold on. So I got these, I think these lashes came with this wig unit that I got from Eunice Hair. Eunice. What is it? Is it Eunice, y'all, or is it Eunice? Eunice Hair. I got this. I got these lashes from Eunice Hair when I got this wig. So, I'm gonna wear it. All right, where's my tweezers? All right, y'all. So I'm about to put my lashes on. And it's crazy, y'all, because I usually, when it comes to like putting lashes on camera, I usually can't do it. And these lashes are a little dramatic. I normally wouldn't go for lashes like these, but these were the only lashes that I had left. I think I had a pack of lashes I got from the beauty store I haven't opened up, so alright, so I am gonna do my lip combo next, and then we done, girl. I'm telling you oh yeah, let me now I got this. It's Milani. It's in the Coral Cove, and when I tell y'all, for the melanin ladies, listen, get y'all this. Like, it's so pretty on our skin, for real. Like, it's hard to find a blush that don't make you look powdery. And this just, look at that. Yes. Y'all see? Like, get y'all this. It's Coral Cove. I will leave it in the link below. It's the best. So, my lip combo, I'm going to do, y'all, Naya got all my makeup mixed up since she's been doing my makeup today. Hold on, y'all. Guys, so I am going to use my, what is this called? NK makeup. NK makeup. It's in the shade Coffee. I got this from my beauty supply store, and this is what I outline my lips. It's a lip pencil. And I like to top it off with the Milani, and this is the shade Champagne, and you can get this from Walmart. Yes, it's pretty. All right. You see how pretty and milky it looks, y'all? Like, yes, it is given. All right, y'all, so I usually don't do this, but I need to start using mascara. I normally don't even use mascara for anything, but I'm gonna use these for my bottom lashes, y'all. Why do we have to make a face, y'all, when we are putting on mascara or eyeliner? Why do we have to make faces? All right, last but not least, I am going to finish it off with the Finishing Setting Spray by Kiss. I got this from Walmart, I believe. Either Walmart or the beauty supply store. And I always love it because, girl, of course, matte helps your makeup and stuff to stay on. Yes. So, sometimes I OD off of it. All right. All right, you guys. So this is the finished look. This is my makeup, no makeup, natural looking look that you guys can, you know, y'all can do whenever y'all don't want to have a full beat and still want to look cute. You know, if you have imperfections on your skin like I do, and still look like you don't have no makeup on. Make sure you hit that like. Make sure you comment down below what y'all think about my makeup. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell notification to be notified whenever I upload. Everything that I use will be down below. If I can find it, you can catch the link below, okay? Because I'm gonna make sure I keep y'all in the loop with everything, okay? Y'all can get every product down below if I can find it. So thank you guys for watching my video. I hope you guys loved it. Comment down below what y'all think about this makeup, no makeup look. Yeah, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, you guys.